Question 5. At first, Liz had an equal number of red and blue stickers. She gave away 2/3 of her red stickers and some blue stickers. In the end, she was left with 1/4 of her stickers. That means 1/4 of her total stickers. She was left with 1/4 of her total stickers. What fraction of her blue stickers did Liz give away? The equal stage is at the beginning. We draw a model. We will use the model method. The equal stage is at the beginning. We draw equal models for red and blue stickers, meaning they have an equal number to start with. Then she gave away 2/3 of her red stickers. So we will divide the model into 3 parts for red. And since the red and blue are equal parts, we will divide the blue into 3 parts as well. Then we take away 2 out of 3 of her red stickers. And she also gave away some of her blue stickers. But the question is, what fraction of the blue stickers did she give away? We will have to work backwards because we are told that she was left with 1/4 of the total stickers. So from this model, we see that red has 3 units and blue has 3 units. And what's the total units here? It's 6 units. But can we do 1/4 of 6 units? That will not give us a whole number. Hence, we will times 2 for both of these 3 units, and that will give us 6 units for red and 6 units for blue. If we times 2, that means we need to slice this further so that there will be a total of 6 units for red and 6 units for blue. Now the total units is 12 units. We can find 1/4 of 12 units, and that will be 3 units. After she gave away 2/3 of her red stickers and some blue stickers, she is left with 1/4 of the total stickers, which is 3 units. For red, she already gave away 2/3, which is 4 units out of 6, and she's left with 2 units. However, in total, she's left with 3 units. That means she's left with 1 unit for blue. And these 5 units are the units that she gave away for the blue stickers. So we can solve these out. What fraction of her blue stickers did Liz give away? It will be 5 units out of a total 6. So the answer will be 5 out of 6. To use the ratio method to solve this question, at first she had an equal number of red and blue. So we have red and blue. And since it's equal number, this is B4, it will be 1 unit is to 1 unit. So they are equal. However, she gave away 2/3 of her red. So what's the change? We can't find 2/3 of 1. So we times 6 for both, and that gives us 6 units is to 6 units. Now we can find 2/3 of 6 units. What's 2/3 of 6 units? So 2/3 of 6 units will be 4 units. So she gave away 4 units of her red stickers before change after. And the amount of units left is 6 units minus 4 units, which is 2 units. And then she's left with 1/4 of her stickers. So first we have to find out what's the total number of stickers she had, which is 6 plus 6, which is 12 units. So what's 1/4 of the total 12 units? That will be 3 units. That means she's left with 3 units. Since she's left with 2 units of red, and the total units she's left with is 3 units, that means blue must be 1 unit. And since she's left with 1 unit of blue, that means the change here must be minus 5U. So she gave away 5 out of 6 of her blue stickers. So the answer will still be 5/6.